So how does it work if you want to lock your Facebook profile? Let me talk about it and show you and explain how it works if it's your first time in here, and subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. First of all, if we check out the official Facebook Help Center page, we can see that the lock your profile is a feature which is not available everywhere right now. So you can only lock your profile, it's in certain countries. It's not officially specified in which countries, but in my case, it's not really showing up, right? So what we can do in this case is to either just wait and see if it shows up, or just open up the App Store, go to the search and look up Facebook and make sure you update if there is an update available. A lot of times this adds some features which were not available before. So you just want to generally make sure that your apps and software is up to date. So that's something that you can definitely do. But if it's still not available in your country, you can give it some time and it will hopefully appear later. In the meantime, if you want to manage your privacy, because basically what locking your profile is, that it's just basically that the person has chosen to lock their profile and show a limited view of their profile content to the people they are not friends with on Facebook. And even if you don't have the official feature, you can still manage your profile settings. Like if you go to your Facebook, go to the profile and tap on the options for more edits right there. So you can see that you can proceed to the profile settings, and if you go in here and find the profile and tagging settings, you can see that who can post on your profile. You can choose friends or only me, right? Then you can choose who can see what other posts on your profile, and you can just choose if it's everybody, friends of friends, or friends except for a few, or only me, right? And the point is that there are so many of these like privacy settings which you can enable for your profile as well, even if you don't have the official locking feature available, right? So who can see the post you've been tagged in, and if can anybody tag you to begin with, right? So many things and stuff which you can control in here. I hope that I was able to guide you through it and show you some options that we have. Thanks a lot for watching, for sticking till the end with me, and I'll see you in the next videos and explanations like this one.